యాక్చువల్లీ ఎప్పుడు అవి తక్కువ ఉంటాయి కానీ ఇవాళ ఇది తక్కువ ఉంది.
शिवान स्टेशन को अलाइनमेंट टू नो चेकिंग गार्ड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए ड्रॉप जज शिवान गार्ड को विस्तार नहीं करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं। गार्ड बगाचस संतरी खड़ा रहे बाकी गार्ड सार्जन
So 7 programs.
And
Total is the 8.
Except civil.
total management it is 8.
Management is not available.
Management is also created for second level.
Addition for all purposes.
It is a recent start. And the very first cycle we have gone through, soon after 2 batches have gone outside. All the courses were accredited in 2003 itself. Because OHPs. In every classroom we have OHPs.
What modality you applied during Corona? During Corona, how you?
In the Corona actually there are
This as a member coordinator, that we can show the installation of solar power plant on the rooftop of the various buildings with capacity 500 kilowatts. Coming to the institute profile, the institute was started in the year 1997, sponsored by Sri Educational Society, and it is permanently affiliated to JNTH Hyderabad. And it is we are offering 7 engine programs with this college, who is the backbone of the institution, is instrumental in developing the institution as leading center for technical education with a focus on producing professionally competent and socially sensitive engineers capable of working in science and technology, was transferred to the Sri Education Group, and the group is running one international school named Senior International School offering IB curriculum up to 12th standard. And there is one KMR Foundation founded by this group and the education of the surrounding areas. The society has submitted an application to local state government to start private university from the academic year 2021-22. Coming to the traditions and milestones of institute, our institute got MBA 3 to 4 times by the pandemic. And the college is attended by NAC as I said earlier, A grade. And our college is recipient of World Bank assistance.
Both the boys and the staff and the students. How those faculty they are utilizing this facility? How they are coming? How frequently they are?
They are accessing mobile assistance also, sir.
Okay.
So that they can from here. It is a mobile access also there, sir.
E-journal, you have e-journals.
So this is actually very much important to the country. Still, we need to have first.
Why there is a shortfall in that visitors are less?
These are totally useless systems. Now this is we are using a new technology for self-log register. Because of some students are not registered on the register. That's why we are.
1920 is very high.
That's why we are using new technology, sir. The self-log register. At a time, 10 members have been to the library. Only one member is working the registers.
1920 means it's in the corona time.
Last year.
So within 2 months, 3 months, only two.
Only 2 months. June 19 to March 20, sir. 6, 7, 8 months, sir.
So apart from this, we have writing books or form leaves.
That is providing online, sir. Providing manuscripts.
How many Xerox copies you have there?
These are the individuals, students can come. Can come. From the last 4 years. So last year ACT has given funding for the activity program as well as for conference. Both we are doing. I work at the BA for 24 years. Very maintained. I was there for you want in their mind. So my directors have brought me here.
There is a back volume section. You have PG students. You have PG students. PG students. Do you
All these journals?
okay, so then, how do you are collecting that copies?
Copies are already soft copies.
Where it is available?
That's done. This is a very big one. So that where the students can sit and then read, and apart from that they can go for the group projects and all. We have created such an environment there, keeping all the journals, all the reference books and everything. A very big, very huge place.
We have a separate section about that the faculty members and all the students.
Yes, sir. We display the papers. So we have some interaction with the farmers. Sir,
That's interesting. So totally how many books they published so far?
well published, but when I was
Okay, not yet.
more than that.
Only yes, right?
Most of the online material.
You don't have pronoun.
We have that video.
We are making the lectures. I have read it there
And more customers are also there, sir, and he is senior person. All our faculty, sir, Dr. Vice just doing the small one.
He is the Cisco coordinator.
Cisco and Microsoft.
And I is Microsoft coordinator. We
Yeah.
have two academics here.
Okay. This one.
Sir, with your permission.
Please start.
Thanks to 420 in 2015 and MBA we got first time MBA accreditation during 5.5 years and now we are going for third cycle of accreditation and we have MTech in Digital Systems and Computer Electronics also PG program. MTech is sanctioned 18 during the 2004. Now currently we are having 24 students in Tech and we have around 74 faculty in our ECD 31, assistant professor 45. Total PhDs in the department is 29, and total number of students in the vision of the department, the professional career, and to solve the challenges of industry in the fields of electronic communication engineering with focus on human values, societal responsibility. And mission of the department is training the students in the core subjects of electronics and communication engineering, and focus of technology. And third mission is inculcating teamwork, leadership, professional ethics, global competent in employment as well as entrepreneurship. Fourth is promoting scientific temper and research cultures in the graduates towards lifelong learning in the context of society environment. They are the milestones of the department. We have started in 2014-15. We got one PhD, one faculty got PhD awarded. 4 faculty awarded PhD, and one of the students got selected in Cisco with an internship of 60,000 per annum. And these are the department level achievements or recognitions. We have enrollment rate of the department is 100%, and the top 5% of the lecture trackers are joining percent, and average CGPA is 8.2, and average placement of eligible student is 65%, and we are recognized as the APS Research Center in 2011, and we have renewed in 2008 RCA JTH worth 39.77 lakhs during 2014 to 20, and we have received grant sanction from AICT for FDP models of 37.8 lakhs, Smart Bridge Apollo Computing Labs, National Cisco and Microchip Academy of 18.55 lakhs during 2014. During 2014-20 we got so many projects from, and we got projects from UGC, DRDO, RCA. Total we got around more than 70 lakhs for common sir. We have college has MOU with NASCOM, AMCAT, Cantilever, EduSkills. We have Microchip Academy, and we have IEEE Communication Society Student Chapter and IET Outreach Program, and we have department has Sri Sat Club and Electronics Club and Cisco Club. Actually our college started in 1997 and we have completed 20 years of service, so we have taken 3 prestigious prizes. One is and most of them are nearly 5 to 6 are in IPS and ICS. And next. And also we got Unnat Bharat Alliance, Dr. S. Krishna, the coordinator for Unnat Bharat Alliance.
So we are adapted around college 2017, we college around of the college. So since 3 years we are working a lot with written goal manifesto and implementation of hygiene and health care. So every monthly we will visit the villages and we will give some guidance. During the COVID also, many students and faculty went there. They distributed sanitary placards and flexies to about the COVID rules and regulations.
And also, we are the different teams here. We are working for rural areas and Unnat Bharat area. We are the society. We have Pachman Rights and the coordinator for Pachman Rights. Our EC students are mainly the advisors, NSS and NCC. And every year we are conducting industry engagement, alumni meet.
Thank you.
And whatever the suggestions you are given, sir, let me implement, sir.
Sure.
Implement our US papers regarding this cash-based credit system, regarding open IT, sir. Till now in our college, we are whatever the electricity are offering, our students are not availing. Students, but in future also, we request our JATU to have entire CBCS.
In many colleges we see ECD.
Myself and Ramaswamy have written on 5G technology, sir. We have published on 5G technology.
Of a gate examination, some aptitude examination. Answers are also given for that. Key skills.
So we did some showing in the model. Recovered, get some measurement results. That way we are happy. In some 2-3 months we could do it.
Afternoon you have that visit to our house.
How many tables is it? We have 60 tables. We have another 6 tables. Yes. Sufficient for
Because we have got finished the R&D using. R&D is not now in the 6 MPR.
Okay. Only one paper.
Yeah. And for motor curriculum, the provision is there. Earlier we used to run at a single. There
So we have made it arranging the previous
First aid jobs. Yeah, first aid jobs.
Yes, sir. And health center very close to this building, sir. Yes, sir. All the pictures that we are using are very safe, sir.
As far as
Conditions, very. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, we will get it.
All the experiment they are doing same here or different one? All the
Same.
experiment.
Yeah, expense is the mistakes. So as per the university norms, sir, minimum 10
Thanks, sir. All college comes in the same room. So doctor, make some paintings or something else. So that I also.
Raman is on the first floor.
First floor.
4 to 1 question.
4 to 1.
ఆయనతో పాటు మొత్తం చూసేసారు.
Accountant that department.
How many accountants you have?
You have got the, what is strength of accountant? The office staff.
Mrs. Srinivasa, finance.
Finance.
officer.
So budget, everything you are handling?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow it is.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Now I think Shyam sir is in mechanical, sir.
Okay.
Then sir is in MBA.
Okay, they are completed.
Very good, very good.
Johnson sir சொல்லிங்க. மெடிக்கல் கரெக்ட் பண்றாங்க. நீங்களும் அதே மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க. Placement assistance from 7 to
किया फिर से
solutions from hotels to market. Yeah, Atal Incubation Center, like all the Startup India initiative. That everything will finished. Before today you have to create this laboratory. Yes, that's a registrar. So we'll meet registrar, placement officer, and you have a
Sir, the cell was found in.
Then you can exit IKC also. The all files.
7 are there for each criteria, sir. We have 7, and total committee members are there. We have around 16 to 18 members are there. I will bring that, sir. List is there.
No. Do you have a presentation now?
Yes, sir. I'll just bring it, sir. It is in the cell in the laptop.
Basically from electronics and communication. For the examiners for the past 12 years. That's the
What are the mechanism you have followed to setting the question papers and the
To
evaluation?
set the question paper, sir, initially we are taking the syllabus copy and the model question paper from the individual branch signed by the teachers who taught that subject as well as the board of study chairman. So nothing but a head of the department. Then we are collecting the names of the paper setters. 10 names we are collecting for each subject from the BOI chairman, and from that the names will be taken 1, 2, 3 order names will be taken by the chief superintendent, principal of the subject. Yes, sir. So in the same order we are telephoning to them and we are seeing.
Slowly we are moving from.
Yeah. Yes.
But that will be done by BOE, not control of examination. Paper setting and all, you will be having BOE, whereas the chairman of the BOE will be the faculty member or head of the department, and that is a responsibility of BOE is.
No, sir. They will give all the material required for us. Material and names.
Identified 3 names, 1, 2, 3. Although one is not able to set, then you have to go to second person. Then the complete information will be sent to the examiner through email with a password. Then he will set the paper, the protected password, it will reach the keeps open.
So you mean to say that for each paper,
Yeah.
they will send 3 names?
Yeah, 3 names. 2 to 3 names.
3 names will be sent,
Order.
but paper will be sent to only one person.
One person.
In the order.
Standard procedure is,
Yeah, but
there will be a BOE.
Yeah.
BOE will be constituted for each semester examination.
Yeah.
And that is the responsibility of the whole BOE to send the papers, send the final manuscripts to the control of examination, and control of
Yes,
examination
yes, sir. So,
gets it printed as.
Sir, here under the controller of examinations, there are 3 assistant controllers, sir. Okay, the work is divided between them and they will send, and receive will be done by only controller of examinations.
But I think you have to change that. Everywhere, standard, what's it? Standard procedure is that to be BOE, because the first person is not there, second person is not there, third person, then you will not take any other reference back. But then, if, for instance, if there is a BOE meeting is going on, so they will be knowing what papers have been sent and manuscripts have been received, and those scripts on which papers are not received, then that board immediately send the papers, then work will become very fast. But if you follow this procedure, then if you ask first person, if you don't respond, second, even second person doesn't respond, then third, then it takes a very long time. Then yes, actually this standard procedure followed in all of the universities is, so they will constitute a BOE for each program. If it is a civil or civil for BOE.
No, it's you can go through BOS also. Board of
BOS follows prepares panel of examiners.
Yeah, panel of examiners.
And the panel of examiners that will be sent to the university.
To the
then
controller.
university they constitute a BOE. With again the B will be there. There will be again BOEA.
Yes, yes, for quality check.
Board of Appointment of Examiners. Again there will be one committee. See, BOS will send one big list of examiners, experts. So then with that list, so then there will be one meeting. It's called as a Board of Examiners Appointment Committee again. And that Board of Examiners Appointment Committee, it constitutes the BOEs for various academic programs. Then that is the responsibility of that BOE to send the question papers and send it to the control of examination. And control of examination, he will get the printed enough number, then accordingly just send them for the logistics management control. So this is actually.
We will follow last step we are not able to follow. We will take last step as per session. Sure. But this procedure is given by the university only for autonomous colleges. The university gave certain procedures, sir. Same thing we are following.
No, actually I don't know.
So anyhow we will think of that, we will implement it.
Question paper scrutiny system is there. Question paper scrutiny.
That one
is there.
Scrutiny is there before examination.
Yes, sir.
Who will do?
That board of study chairman with one person from department, which only half an hour before that.
No, that is not possible actually.
Half an hour before how it is possible.
But 3-4 days the university is not allowing for autonomous colleges, so they are coming for declare results at the time of some papers printing out. They are coming suddenly, so they are asking to open the papers only Half an hour before.
That is half an hour before only. Question paper everywhere.
Yeah.
But here, I'm just telling the whole process.
Moderation part.
The whole process.
Earlier we had moderation part, but university did not agree for that in the class checking. Because every year we go for auditing, sir. One person will come from university for observing all these things. He said
During examination, anybody will come from university?
suddenly they will come.
Sometimes
they will come.
like a squad.
Squads.
Like it's squad they will come. But you just
left most of the graph. In 2018, there were 13 skills that were identified from newspapers. Then 17 skills in 2000 listed, and year-wise the skills that were identified. So again, if you go to the EC department in that particular year, 2018-19, so we have seen that VLSI has appeared 10 number of times, while the microcontroller concept has appeared again 10 number of times. So these are already there in the syllabus. So there is not much modification that we can do. But there are some concepts like HTML also, DSP, Java, JavaScript, in which there was requirement of EC people. Okay, so those were included in the syllabus. So I'm sorry that I couldn't scan it properly. So these were the skill list that was prepared by the EC department and for the year 2018-19, and he has presented a report on that. So we have the all the year-wise skills in demand analysis with us. I can show it. The file is with the cell, or I can bring it here also, sir. So this is the impact analysis that we have done.
What is the feedback from which stakeholder? Showing this sheet.
So this faculty are doing, sir.
Faculty.
Faculty
What
is
about
doing.
other stakeholders? The role of other.
Yeah, that I have not presented. We are taking the
Feedback from industry persons, faculty, alumni, professional bodies, and HRs. Parents also we are taking.
Parents less.
Parents means those who have got ability to give feedback. We are taking from parents also.
Sometimes parents, when they come here, generally those who are industrialists, so generally when we have casual talks, and they we discuss them to give some.
NASCOM also we are considering inputs from
So this is personally done by the faculty. That is the
you need to have a formal system of getting feedback. So that is informal meetings, and you don't know when you had and how many had come, and whether that itself is this one can be accepted. Otherwise, so to get the feedback actually.
Yeah.
So we should have this one. Some formality you have to give. Formality touch.
Formats are there, sir. We are doing
Formality touch in the sense of. So
Yes, sir.
either you should have invited them in DOS.
DOS.
Either you should have invited them in DOS, or else they should have represented in academic council. Or I have this one more committee I have already told us, that is a college academic committee. What
It's
is
a
a college
CAC.
academic committee? Actually, it won't come under with the structure you did mention. But then you said that the college academic committee, actually, you know.
academic committee means that is all adult departments, sir. Meet.
When you say committee, that's it should come under structure, na? And what is its role? Is it a decision-making body, or else it's a overreviewing committee? So when it is the structure, it is not there. So therefore, I thought of asking you, you shouldn't have mentioned it. So because from UOS it comes to the academic council straightway.
Yeah.
That's academic council. Then you will notify formally.
Yeah.
But in between, you brought this. Otherwise, in the universities, we will be having faculties. From UOS, they will go to faculty and joint faculty, then academic council, then notification. But here you mentioned academic. I was confused.
Okay. That is not a
accidentally
structure. It is not a
accidentally mentioned.
You are right.
Oh, for feedback you give choice to online also, I think.
Online Google form we are circulating now, sir. Recently we have started.
On your ERP itself or
ERP, okay, we will try.
Yes, that you should.
Right. You are right.
SAP is it's a very big software.
Slowly it will come
that
to the
integration
Yeah,
problem.
integration is becoming very difficult, sir. Based upon priority, we are going for that. When small work also, the external person will charge so much.
Some modules are
Some modules are ready-made.
We are using
Now
implement
COPO, we are doing on TCSI with the help of SAP.
Academic things are okay, but when you start integrating finance, then it starts problem.
Yeah, that is the main problem, sir.
Some ready-made modules, they are working well in SAP. When you say some custom build,
No, you are asking feedback, no, sir. We will conduct once in a semester industry institute interaction. At that time, we will call all external persons, sir. At that time, we are taking feedback in a fixed format, sir. That is happening twice in a year. Actually, that is happening very well.
So-
Nearly 70 to 80% will come from different branches. They are giving the feedback. Like
So
whatever
what
we
you have to
had.
do, sir, so then you should either have a documentation of that.
Documentation is there, sir.
So
Departments.
they are interacted and they made these recommendations.
What are the recommendations changed?
Refer back to the concerned board of studies like that. If
That
they
structure
are-
is there, sir. Yeah, that structure is there.
So some of the changes that were made based on the skills in demand are presented here. In civil engineering, they have identified one skill called interior design, which was not there in their syllabus till now. So that interior design is a part of software. It's actually a software component which is already available in their one software is there. You're not able to recall SCADA, some software they are using. So they are not using that module. So that interior design module is actually present there. So they are including, they have put that interior design in their lab module. So like this, EC, mechanical, computer, some inputs are coming from the skills in demand, which are helping us to update the syllabus. So coming to the students' initiative, which is one of the functions, these are the encouragements given by the institution to improve the student capabilities hereby. So the first graph, left topmost graph, is a CRT program, which CRT program here. So this CRT program, we are conducting it every year for the students. The number of students placed every year because of the impact of the CRT. The number of students placed also, there has been some ups and downs in this because of the market conditions. Next, the student awards, which we are giving to the students as an initiative. These awards also, the investment, the amount that is being spent is also increasing year by year. Then the number of patents that are filed jointly by the students and this was discussed in our principal's presentation in the morning, so I have listed it as an initiative here. So the faculty initiatives, this is taken care by in IQAC in conjunction with the Dean R&D. There is Dean R&D department which scrutinizes the applications received for incentive, and based on the IQAC and R&D recommendations, the financial incentive is released to the particular faculty. And if you see the incentives given year-wise based on the submissions of the faculty, so it has been progressing. So these are some of the research policy incentives that we are giving, which is stated in our research policy. So for international journals, national journals, so if there is any Indian citation index, book chapters, so there is some incentive always given as an initiative to the faculty. So some of the improvements in the academic administration and research side is listed here.
10,000 you pay to the main author or to jointly?
So that again division is there. I didn't mention the division here.
The author is from here on one of
Yeah. But our two others are there. 50% people there share. Maximum will give 10,000, sir. That will distribute among all. Single author is there, directly will give 10,000.
the author is from outside also.
Outside means they will not. Only for internal.
For internal, one is
Again, his
internal,
number will see,
one
sir.
is internal, one is out from outside.
We will give the part to the part to
So some of the incremental improvements compared to cycle 1 and cycle 2 listed it here, sir. So PhDs have improved 53 to 127, the funded projects, the patents, research publications, research centers, consultancy, the built up area, placements, MOUs, seed money, faculty incentives, library titles are increased, the student clubs are multiplied, outcome based education, UGC autonomous status, still maintaining it up to 2022 it is there. Then new auditoriums have been added. Then under e-governance we have introduced SAP. Next e-learning center is there, we have a studio. Digital evaluation process have been introduced. So these are some of the improvements that have come from the past accreditation. So the IQAC meetings also are going on regularly, sir. So initially when we started, we had more number of meetings since we are trying to formalize the system here. We wanted to see what type of discussions will happen. Then the meetings are happening on a regular basis year by year. So these are some of the action points which are taken from the meetings that have happened over the years, sir. All these are documented and they are available for verification, sir. So up to 2019, I have written the initiatives which are the outcomes of this particular meeting, sir. So finally, I like to conclude that this IQAC is not established as a norm, but we try to see that it actually functions and satisfies all the NAC requirement, so that it leads to improvement in the teaching learning process of the teacher as well as the students. Thank you very much, sir, for your patient listening. Thank you, sir.
What happened here to 1920?
1920, they were extended up to May, sir. Now we were prepared at all. We were very prepared. They have given time of May 31st. No? That's why we are waiting.
In the last 5 years, how many departments have completely revised their syllabus? Any department?
Yes, sir. Revision is happening every 2 years, sir. We are adding some subjects in the.
No, thorough review of, I'm asking, thorough review of syllabus. When it was happened last?
Thorough review happened in the A15 regulations, sir, when CBCS came into picture.
2015, you have revised fully, sir.
Fully, sir.
We have become autonomous in 2010. There are 10 regulations. Then we have 12, then 15, then 18, then 20.
You said CBCS is introduced, but I've gone through the MBA syllabus, there was no this one, CBCS.
Then options, CBCS means options might not be taken by the students.
I will answer this question, sir. Partly, not fully. We are giving the choice to student to complete all subjects before 4-2. 4-2 he doesn't have any theory paper, so that he can concentrate fully on project work for 6 months. We are giving a chance to student to complete one paper extra in 3-1 or 3-2.
It's not just this time, it's based choice-based study course choice in selecting courses. Not you are this one, but timing and all. Not timing and all.
Right.
So the problem is, though we are giving choices, for example, mechanical engineering, we have automobile stream, but
Sorry, we have to you can choose any subject. We cannot restrict
but they take easy subjects.
I have seen this one, your whole self-study report also. There is no CBCS, but you have to take your serious measures. Yours is moreover, yours is autonomous institution. And new education policy is coming, and you are not with this choice-based CBCS is a very important way. You have to take serious thought about it. Actually, there is no this one choice actually.
We are giving only provisional electives, open electives, they can choose any subject. We are giving options for elective 1.
That's what
5 or 6 subjects.
Specializations after that.
So that's what is selective system.
Choice-based elective system, that's all. You are right. We will go for that, sir. Actually, we are trying to implement, but there are some restrictions in university also. And university also
doesn't have
CBS system. So for updating mode, university also. They are not included. CBCS.
No, see, university.
They are taking benchmarks.
University might not have, but you can introduce. As per UGC guidelines, you can introduce. Finally, what matters is you.
So next, this 20 regulations will try to include the 40% that online MOOCs courses. We will take approach from
25% actually MOOCs. You have to again. That should have come to that also. MOOCs also. You have not taken any measures, but then. MOOCs also you should see that.
We tried, sir, actually.
Registered.
We registered people, they have cleared. We raised the issue to University of Masters. Suppose the boy has failed, how to take care of that? He has taken MOOCs, he wrote the exam, he failed. Then what is the mechanism we are going to apply to clear
He
this?
will get exemption only when he is passed.
Number of times can be.
No, when he passed, then only he gets exemptions here. Till then, no.
Okay, sir, one subject is there, sir. For example, I have got a doubt that Java programming is there. Then he applied through only MOOCs. He failed there. Now he is not attending classes, and we are not allowed him to take the theory paper here. For example, he has not registered. Then how to address that issue?
Sir, actually, the exemption you get when he has passed, when he is to his credit, if he has.
That means other than this regular subject, he has to take extra subjects from MOOCs. Am I right?
No, already see simultaneously or prior to joining this, he might have registered and he have passed also.
Okay.
In the first semester, he might have passed one paper, which you are offering the second semester.
So credit transfer.
Credit transfer. That like that exemption comes there.
So we have to divide the mechanism.
Say for example, computer science fourth semester Java programming is there.
Yes, sir.
Then same Java programming, there is slight modification in the syllabus. The MOOC NPTEL is also they are starting.
Yes, sir.
The students can take the courses from MOOCs and they can complete the course. They can give the certificate. Then you can equate that credit.
There is a wide variation.
लैब वाला लिया है स्टूडेंट को, वहीं पे इंटर्नशिप कर रहा है, वहीं प्लेस हुआ, वैसे इन्फोसिस वाला है। प्लेसमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन
is the strongest and you have to make sure that it has got high oxidation resistance so that it becomes suitable for the aircraft and helicopters, things like that. So what our objective is that we are adding rare earth material for the first time to the existing titanium. See how this is titanium with some amount of tritium, rare earth material. We have got them in the DRDO laboratory. So after that we are going to come here and this the amount of oxide that's formed is less. So with this encouragement we are doing all that. So what happens, we are also optimizing the amount of layer, how much it should be, like 0.5, 0.1, those things also with them.
Optimization.
Yes, optimization. Do it more than enough for confirmation.
That's people are moving to government. What kind of money? How many students they are taking? They mentioned in a
for the second year and third year. And everyone is
some other subjects. How many subjects?
one grade,
One period in this not really because of corona. Otherwise it's regular.
it's a regular. It's introduced
using process such as laser cutting, and we have used Leo motor for training.
Mechanical to electrical.
Yes, sir.
Although they are brilliant, they are intelligent, that's another thing. But the skill development is going by the
Yeah, also finance.
Step is to package them and give it as a product. So that involves industrial design. I think that's a big, very big gap here in all institutes. They will not be able to deliver it as a product. And then all those skills are missing.
College Academic Committee in terms of approval of syllabus and all I'm asking.
Interdisciplinary role, all the other heads also interact and
Your whole syllabus was rehauled.
recently in 1920.
September 2020, sir.
Show me the process. In terms of structure, number of papers, or title of the papers.
Innovation and design thinking, sir.
Show me what was the earlier papers and what new papers are introduced. No, the teaching plan actually you don't divide this way. First week what you have covered, then what are your plans, then whether you conduct internal test, first week conduct or second week conduct or third week or fourth week. Likewise they say examination or 14 weeks of teaching. So then first week what you have to teach, second week what you have to do, third week what you have to do, fourth week again you have midterm evaluation or else continuous evaluation also you will be having. When you are going to have at the end of first week or at the end of second week, likewise you will have a plan for the whole this one.
Course file.
That's called as a teaching
Course
plan.
file, what you are teaching, teaching plans.
Yes, that's what it's called a teaching plan. You are satisfied with your this one, the spirit of that requirement and the way you move on that you see whatever.
3 marks is for attendance, 2 marks is for class notes and 2 marks is for assignments. Apart from that, after every chapter we have a case study or a case study analysis. That is again qualitative management practices in Indian commercial banks. Certain quality management practices, private and public sector banks.
Is that right?
My guide is Dr. Bucharati, he is AV College principal in DUC.
From which university are you here?
Usmania University. Nine members, we are doctors in our departments with all finance, HR, marketing specializations.
One more. He is Gautam Kumar. So he started one company which is automobile electrical showroom.
No. Which one, sir? Seminars, workshops.
Probably brochures, what we have collected, all that.
So these are the
Theme and all.
innovation and design.
Yes, sir. This we have with the collaboration with UMO Design USA, sir. And the same subject is offered as open elective to BTech courses.
You have any handouts on this?
Yes,
about
sir.
this?
Yes. We have done a series of research methodology workshops. Faculty development.
Participants. Recently we have conducted this. This we have conducted online, sir.
Yes, sir, for Scoopers. Earlier we had UGC, but now everybody, and we apply for grants also, sir.
Okay, all the best. Because the social distancing you have to maintain. Later you have to certify. The institute has maintained feasible also, it should be feasible also. Minimum 20 or 20 or 10, minimum 10 should be there in each stream, specialization stream. Because otherwise they will not.
appraisal and market analysis.
We'll have a round in your exams. We are already going protocol and so that we can show it up.
Yes.
Then
yes.
we are planning to have a
Yes, certification course as well, so that that can add weight to their resume also in future. So the students will whatever video lectures we do, everything is
So, which because you know what industry expects, whether the students are able to meet the expectations of the industry. You also know learning here, meeting with changing needs.
Faculty made us ready for the world, so
You are like the other members of the family. You are always a member of the family, and this responsibility like families. And we consider you as the other member. You also have the responsibility of taking care of
respective department faculty, good faculty basically, and we are giving access to the student through elements.
you play one of the lectures.
Yes.
No, it's use inside. In the meantime, before adjusting, just explain the entire systems here. These are two studios, sir. Madam has given the lecture the other day when he came, you know.
Yes.
Totally, how many video lessons you made?
Around 1,000 are available, sir, right?
1,000 from the senior teachers of the college, sir.
So this is the students' dashboard, sir. So students will be entering their email ID and password.
Partnership Act, and there are many stray acts like Chartered Accountants Act, Company Secretaries Act. So these are the guys the acts which govern them are regulated by us. So if any chartered accountant consider that he willfully does wrong auditing, we are the people who take action against them.
You are part of listed company affairs.
Yes, yes, yes. We have two regular joint secretaries who are board members of IC, Indian Institute of Chartered Accountants, and Indian Institute of Company Secretaries. From our ministry, there will be always two boards voting them. Their Apex panel board in Delhi, which they have in Delhi, I think. Yeah. And even Partnership Act. But we mostly give the Partnership Act relation to state governments because it's mostly a
registration of firms.
Firms that is dealt by state governments, but rest of the limited liability LLPs and the companies, private limited, public limited, and all the listed companies are regulated by us. In case of listed companies, we share it with SEBI.
So you
you studied?
We have been doing a lot of skill-oriented training program, what sir was saying. So we have been already having the good setup in our Hyderabad campus, where we have been doing the lot of skill-oriented training in different areas. So myself representing the electrical, and sir was representing the electronics. Like that, we are having all core engineers in our area. So we have been not only concentrating on training. So basically, myself is certified energy auditor.
Okay.
So we used to take care of energy auditing, and we used to take care of consultant service. What is the key areas in the problem they are facing? They come to us, we take up the solution, we take up the problem, and we used to give the solution. So a few months before, in the month of December, we take up the challenging job from railways. That is called in Southern Railway from Guntur. They came with the problem of harmonics. We taken that problem has been come to us. We studied the problem and we given the beautiful solution for making them to suppress harmonics. That way, we given the saving of up to 5% of energy saving. This has been study has been done with the people from students from Sweden. So why I am saying is we are taking the people, making them put in the real time problem and making them to understand the. That is the only thing I can feel from the people from Srinidhi. And we are very happy to see that the people from Srinidhi, the manager.
Normally some students will get down at direction who are not affordable.
We displayed that any police officer.
Yeah, police officer will address, he will come and address.
Every address.
Yeah.
Any number is available.
Numbers are there, sir. Numbers are there, but I think that first 2 months, I think, we do.
And any local people are involved in this committee?
Local people? Yes, I said, sir, there is a village surprise. And there are one, other, like, 2 lady officers also there.
Have you created provision in your website that they can file online also? Complaint?
Online grievance system is there, sir.
Your website is there.
Website.
So far, how many cases raised?
Yeah, I think around the last 2 years, 12 cases are there, sir.
What is the action you have taken?
Yeah, I think every report is there. That is one case, sir. Completed the report of committee, what it is recommended to take the final decision when the college, everything is. We used to call the parents and we take undertaking letters from parents and students.